Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to sketch this beautiful truck tire for a actually this tutorial for beginners. So let's start. Let's how to make this in Solidworks. Now let's start our project truck wheel. So we will choose plane front plane right plane sketch. Select center line. Draw one horizontal line and the same way draw one vertical line. That's it. Select this line and make offset. Keep 5 mm. Select OK. Choose this line. Select here as a construction line. And not 5 mm, it keep 1.5 by 2 mm. It's a small distance. Now let's start our plane. First we will create our rim. So start from any way. Connect this line and connect up to here, then go upward, then again go upward, go right and exit. First let's assign some dimensions here. .2 mm. Just drag this line outward and this line from here first we will decide upward line 8.2 mm and the downward line 7.5 mm and the distance from here to this line keep 3 mm only. That's it. And the distance from here to this point 26.7 mm and distance from this point 31.5 mm. Now assign the distance from this point to this line. .5 mm. The same way assign this distance 26.25 mm. This length makes 7 mm. Okay, now select this length from here 37.5 mm and this length from here 49.25 mm. And assign this gap 10 mm. Okay, now let's move this point here. Select line, just go back and draw a half circle up to here. Okay, now let's make the distance from here to this line 56.5 mm. Okay. Now these are the our dimensions. Drag this line downward. Choose dimension. Let's select, we want to create some parts. Select this line, hold shift key, select this all lines and select offset entities. Select reverse direction and select 1.5 mm only. Okay. Now you can see it here. Here you can delete this line. Select the line, take it down and connect with this line. Okay. And the upward also connect with this point. Now exit from the line. Choose offset, select 2 mm, select these 2 points, select OK. Now these are the actual our dimensions. Now select this bottom distance. Now make this distance 10 mm. Just go back, delete this line, and we will do one thing. We will delete this, and we will create one geometry. Exit. Now select this, delete this line, delete this also. Now choose smart dimension and assign distance from here to this point. First let assign from this 8.2 and this one make 7.5 mm and this distance keep 10 mm. Okay, this is the our actual dimensions what we want. Okay, this is the 1.5 mm. This here we will assign one distance 1.5, cancel it, it's already 1.5. and let assign distance from here to this center line 17.635. Move it back. Okay, this is the actual we want this dimension, so just choose revolve boss base and select this line as a axis. Select OK. Now select this geometry and we will assign zinc, cast zinc. See, this is the cast zinc. Choose chamfer 0.7 mm and select this edge. Keep fillet 0.7, select inside. OK. See, so this is our rim part 1. Now we will do some about tires. Now we will sketch half portion of tire, half part of tire. So let's select right plane, sketch normal. Select center line. First draw a center line. This is basic thing. Make OK. Now again choose center line and draw one vertical line. Exit. Again choose center line. Draw two center lines horizontal. Select this line and make sure horizontal. All this. Now let's make some dimension. Keep 4 mm. The vertical distance 130 mm. And draw one more line, a center line, and keep the distance 40 mm. Again select a center line, draw one center line here also, and make the gap between these two lines 4 mm. OK. Now extrude this line so it will easy for us. Now we will start from here. We will select line. Select here, go back and cancel it. Better do it by 3-point arc. Select one star point, put on that, and let's make the distance 4 mm and the distance from bottom 18.2 mm, and keep the radius, cancel it. I think we made something, or better delete this point also, or keep this point, no problem. Select spline, select this line and this spline, make relation tangent. Okay, select this point and this line coincide. That's it. Now select upward here, little upward, then up to here. Now let's make the distance 4 mm and this distance is small, 0.3 mm. Okay. Now choose again spline. Oh, sorry. Connect it this point, exit. Now let's make some distance from here to this point, 11.5 mm, and the distance from this point 7.5 mm. Okay, now select this line and this tangent, delete, not tangent, it's not going for a tangent. I think we have to do some modification. Select this line, select horizontal, that's it. Okay, select this line also and keep vertical. Now see it here. Now this is perfect. It is going to match for our requirement. Now choose offset, select 3 mm and select this line, reverse direction. Okay, now choose a line up to here, exit. Now choose and define this length 3 mm. Okay, now select this both the points, and points cannot be merged, so just try to, or we will use this extend command. I think it's not going to possible, so let's connect it, exit this line and this line, tangent, trim entity and select this portion. Okay, select here also 2 mm. It's showing no result, so better go back. Select this portion only, 2 mm. Okay, now connect from this end to this end. Now this is our tire geometry is almost ready. Now let revolve the boss base and select this line as a axis. You can see it here. Okay, now make this as a, choose rubber mat, rubber. See, this is the half tire and half rim. So let's go for beyond another operation. Now we will sketch some planes, so choose right plane, select plane, and we want to select one plane 135 mm, make flip side. Okay, now select this plane, sketch, normal, draw one center line, exit. Now let's start our geometry. Select from inside line to here, exit. Now let's assign the full length 4.6 mm and the distance from this point to this line 1.8 mm. Now select a line and draw one line, exit. Now select this line, better assign dimensions 10 mm and from one side 5 mm. Okay, now select a line and directly connect with this point. Draw one more geometry like this and connect with this point. Now exit. Now select these two lines parallel, distance from here to this point 7.5 mm, 7.5 mm and this distance 2.46. 2.46 and the distance from here to this line 21 mm. Okay, this geometry finish. Now let's make another geometry. Select corner rectangle. Now let's make distance 2.5, 2.5. Okay, now select a center line. Select this line as a construction. Now select line, connect from here to this point and the same line choose for this and connect with this. Now exit. Now just drag these dimensions here. Now select this line as a construction geometry. Now select these two lines equal, this line and this line parallel. No, not we don't want parallel, just go back. We will assign some distance, better. .75 and this point also 3.75 and the length keep 11.5 mm. Okay, our geometry is fully defined, so select Extruded Boss. See here, up to 35 mm. See, it's going inside. No problem, later we will cut it. See, hide this plane. Now choose circular pattern and select any circle line or select here and select here temporary axis. Here select this axis and here select Extruded Boss body, and we want total 53 number of geometries. Cancel it. First we will do some modification. Select chamfer, distance 1 by 15 mm. Select this face. OK. Again choose chamfer. Select here distance 1 by 20 and select this face. OK. Now it's little chamfer. Now let's go for circular pattern. Select this axis and we want total number of 53. Select both chamfer body. Actually select this body also. Equal spacing. OK. It will take few seconds because this is a high big calculation. Now see our tire treads. Actually these are the tire treads. Now we are going to cut it. Now we will cut this extra portion. So select right plane, sketch, normal, and first draw a center line and select this center line, make relation vertical, horizontal. Now assign the gap 130 mm. OK. Now select center line and connect from here to this point. Now select 3-point arc and start from here to this point. OK. Now let's assign the distance 7.35 and the length 33.17. OK. Select a line, go up, exit. Now assign this line also. (19.7) and the distance from this outer line 2.25 mm. Now select the 3-point arc, connect from here to this extra line, assign the distance from this bottom line 22.7 mm. Select this line and this line, make relation tangent. I think it's not possible. This relation 27.7 mm, not 22. OK. Now let's make the radius 16.3 mm. OK. Select line. Now connect it from outside. OK. Now this outer portion we will cut it. So choose revolve cut. Select this as a axis Okay. Now see, it is cut. Select section view and choose top plane. Okay. Sorry, right plane, and select the right plane, sketch, normal. Now we want to cut this inside extra portion. Select, better select spline. First select line, connect up to here, exit, then spline. See this line looking. Just select offset entities, 0.3 reverse. Select this line also. Okay. Offset entity 0.3. Cancel it, and let's draw it manually. Exit, choose a line, and connect with this line. Exit and delete this line. Now this portion we want to cut extrude. Select revolve to cut. Select this line as a axis. Okay. Now you can see we cut it from the inside. Now just make circular. Now hide this line, or you can hide it from here. Now we want to make mirror, so select mirror and select this face and select the body. Select OK. Now see, the tire treads are going to created. Select this boss extruded and assign rubber mat. See, now you can see easily our tire body with rim is ready. See the tire treads, it's looking real tire. Now we will make some holes are here, select this face, sketch. Draw one circle and keep the diameter 28 mm. Select circle and draw a circle and keep radius 4 mm. And select circular sketch pattern, select center point and select this circle, and we want 8 number of holes. Okay, and let extrude. First select this line as a construction geometry, then extrude cut. Select here through all. Okay. assign this cast zinc. So this is just a simple example for beginners how to make a beautiful trade tire with a beautiful trade. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks, and thanks for watching.